In this video, we're gonna check if OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, we'll need to check on how many speakers does this phone have and know their location. So the first one is clearly right here. It's the call speaker. So when you're in call, you hear the caller from this speaker right here. Next one is on the bottom of this phone right here. And that's basically it, because there's nothing on the sides and on the back as well. Now let's cover the phone call speaker and see if the music is coming from it. Clearly music is not coming from this speaker. Now let's try the bottom speaker. And that means this phone has a mono speaker, because when I covered this one, it didn't have any sound, and when I covered this one, it clearly comes from only one source. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.